Hey, peace, old man right in here. Today we're going to change the oil on the F800GS. Already took the skid plate off. Apparently, I went into some stuff and got scrapes all through there. I guess I hit the bottom on something. But there was no scratches on that when I bought it, so. And here's the scratches on the fairing and everything from when I crashed the bike. Broke my ribs. I don't know, you can't see it too good. The lighting in here isn't the greatest. Alright, so let's get to it, and that's what I got going on. I got a new filter from BMW. I got a new thing. I usually use Rotella regular, but I'm going to use the T6 because this stuff is the same stuff as BMW. So I'm using a 5W40, and this is the synthetic because I couldn't get regular. So we're going to give that a shot this time, and we'll go from there. All right, let's get to it. See if we get the plug out. Now that we got the nut cracked, because I had to try and find tools because I'm in my mother-in-law's garage. So, yep. Oh yeah, that was dirty. I know I forgot something. I forgot a new crush seal, crush washer, but you know, is what it is. It's going back on. Clean off the plug's got a little magnet on the bottom, so you could see if you got any junk in there. So she's all looking good. Let that drain. Plug off to the side. Filter wrench. Wow, it's been on there a while. Got rust around the filter. I know, I didn't change it last year, so yeah. Of course, I didn't ride it that much last year either, so really didn't need to be changed. Doesn't really look nasty. It's pretty black, but yeah, ain't too bad. Take the dipstick out, wipe it off. Set that aside. Clean off around the filler. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Let that drain. Got the new oil filter somewhere. Ugh. Regular BMW filter. Got it at Hermes. Because I like to go to Hermes since I live in Pennsylvania. No, that's not where I'm at now, but yeah, take some of this old oil, put it around the seal, oil still looks pretty good. Damn. You need an oil change, but yeah, it's good to change it once a year, depending on how much you ride. I don't get to ride that much because of work and stuff, but yeah. So it all drained out of there. Let's wipe off around where the filter goes. Get all the dirt and stuff off there, because you know I didn't wash the bike before I did this, so I like to wipe it down, make sure it's all good. I don't want to get no gunk on there. They should have like something better than that system. That's right in the way there. So we're gonna screw the new oil filter on. We done dripping now? Okay. Put it on hand tight. Then after I got it on his hands tight as I could, I like to give it a little tighter turn. There we go. So that should be good. Yeah, and there's no editing in these videos, so you get what you get. In real time. Okay, so I got a new funnel. We'll stick in there. Put the oil in. And we're gonna put the plug in. She's just dripping here, making a mess. It's all out. Come on. Yeah, so that's what that's. That was smoke while we're waiting. What did I do with the plug? Oh, here it is. Alright, let's stop dripping now already. Screw this in here. Get this out of the way. Tighten up the plug. That's pretty tight. Let's get it off there. Let's see, we'll move this around. Move this back. Oh. Maybe put it over this side here. Get my oil. Yeah, I know. I quit smoking, but started again. I don't know. It's either die of cancer or die from Corona. And I don't drink Corona, so, you know, there you go. So it's supposed to take 3.1 quarts. So I got a gallon jug here. So we'll have oil left over. Ooh, slow down. I'll treat my baby good. Engine oil, synthetic, extreme temperatures. That's right, she gets hot. How far we get? We're down to, can't even see with these things, you know? They put lines on them so you can see. You can't freaking see through them. Really? This is a process. So far we still got a ways to go. But other than that, how's everybody doing out there with this whole coronavirus thing? I try and stay away from everybody, but you know, I'm confined in the truck, so I'm pretty good unless I go into the stores. And I try not to do that just for that reason. I'm making a mess. Oil's dripping. Precious oil. We got it under control. Okay, so where are we at now? We're down to 1.5. Well, come on, can't see it now. No, a little more. Trying to see the lines freaking sucks. Can't really. A little more. Alright. That should be good. And then we're gonna start the bike and, you know, see how full it is. Oil's still dripping off the stick, off the funnel. I'm not good at narrating shit. I don't know. It is what it is. I hate that saying. I just said it. Let's check the oil level. Screw it all the way in. And we'll bring it all the way back out. It says max. You know max? All right, let's start it up. Check the, let it rain start, and we're gonna check the filter and the plug and make sure nothing's leaking. That sounded terrible first starting up with no oil up in the head. We'll let it get warm and check it again. But I think we're doing good. Let's check it out. Let's check it. Make sure everything's good. We don't want nothing leaking. We got nothing coming out of the drain plug that I can see. We got nothing coming out of the filter that I can see. Let's just give it a little more tug. That's as tight as it's gonna get, I think. And the filter, just to be on the safe side. I don't see anything leaking, so we're good to go. So now we check the oil. See where it's at on the stick. Wipe it off, stick it back in there, screw it in, screw it back out, and let's see if we can see it. That's the worst thing about this, is it's a black plastic stick, and you really can't tell where it's at. So yep, I'm thinking we need more oil. Put some more oil in. Let that drain in a little bit. Then we're going to check the stick again, because we don't want to. You don't want to overfill it. No, you don't want to do that. I know you're probably bored, but that's the way I do it. check the stick again. We're at the max line. Awesome. Stick it back in. Screw it back in. And that's pretty much it. I got some extra oil in case I need it. I'll have to get a smaller container and stick it on there and keep it in the saddlebags with for the bike. But we'll see how this oil is. Rotella T6. Oh, that's truck oil. Yeah, I know it is. And I've always been putting this in my bikes. Usually the regular, but we couldn't get a hold of the regular. So we were trying for the synthetic this time. So hope you like the video. Enjoy your day. That's it for today. Old Man Riding. Peace out.